WIKO View 2 Pro, and let me show you how to enable backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's choose System, tap on Backup, and here let's enable backup to Google Drive by using that switcher. Now you need to tap Account right here, and the phone is checking info. So here you need to sign in into the Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account or use the existing one. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's enter the email or the phone number. In my case, let me enter the email. Alright, tap next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose next right here. Let's tap agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Here let's also leave backup to Google Drive enabled, tap accept, tap OK to the following information, and that's it. Here we've got active backup, so you will backup your app data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. If everything is alright, you can go back and start using your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.